Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to set the sleep timer on your JVC TV. So if you have a JVC TV, you can follow the directions as seen here and you'll be able to put the sleep timer function on. Now in order to use this function, it might be a case where you know you're going to watch some TV just before you fall asleep, and of course you do not want the power to be wasted because of course you might be lying there and you know that in 15 minutes you might be falling asleep and the TV is just gonna be up and you won't be watching it. So to save power, sometimes you can set this feature. It's a very nice feature to use, especially if you're the type to allow the TV to put you to bed at night. Alright, so to work this function, get the TV remote. So you're gonna get your TV remote, you're gonna tap on a menu. So go ahead and tap on menu. Once you do, you'll be in this menu option here. Go and pass through, and once you do, you're gonna come down to the second row of icons. Go over to function section here and hit OK, and on the function you'll see a number of options. Go to timer. So timer is the key function, which is this here. So go down to sleep. What you're gonna do is you're gonna move down, and once you do, you're gonna hit over. So use the direction pad seen here, up, down and over. So go ahead and adjust the timer from off. You can set 10 minutes, you can set 30 minutes, you can set 60 minutes, which is an hour, or of course 90 minutes, 120 minutes, 180 minutes, 240, and you get the idea. So at any time you can set, say for example, a set time. So let's say we set 30 minutes. Once you do, simply hit exit, and you can go back to cable or TV, and while you're there it will take that amount of time that you have set, and the TV will simply, after the time limit is reached, the TV will automatically shut off itself. Alright, so you do get the idea there guys. So that's how to set the sleep timer on your JVC smart TV. If you have any questions, please ask them below. As always guys, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye guys.